Okay, so we arrived at Tambourine National Park now. We're up on a mountain and I think there's a rainforest. You're gonna see there are some nice waterfalls and some nice water bowls. So we can jump in there and do some cliff jumping. 3 days ago we've been at the rainforest and we got pretty scared about the snakes because we only had flip-flops and like short pants, so we brought some stuff today. Let's go. I think we are fine. You look prepared. When you see that, you wouldn't think we're in... Okay, we need to take a picture. You wouldn't think we are in Australia when you see this.
Okie dokie.
We arrived at this place now. I bet it's too windy or too loud that you guys can hear me, but I hope you guys still can hear me. We're gonna do some cliff jumping now, or just go into the pool and stuff. So that's gonna be nice.
Lucas is doing way too crazy cliff diving stuff and I'm like a little afraid of him, but I just want you to watch that. So I took his camera and want to show you this.
Holy shit. This was actually one of the coolest things we've done on this whole trip. The water was just perfect and so refreshing. And oh, it was just so nice. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Huh. We arrived in Tambourine now, and hopefully we will find some lunch now.
Ham cheese toast and myself, it's here $10.
Alright, so it doesn't make a difference. So we take this deal. Yeah.
Ham cheese over here?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Will we take the number at the
Yeah,
line?
of course. Thank you.
Well, I think let's try though.
It's not try, but it's worth a try. Okay, that was close. We're going back to Brisbane now.
Brisbane!
Also guys, Maria's done a really nice picture of me doing a backflip off this cliff. So you guys should check this out on my Instagram. @Sendlhofer. Follow for more. Yo, check this out. Like, this is the drive. And on the right side there's just like a really legit rainforest.
Feel it flow, I see the angles. Tell me all you know. My stories, broken bones, but never leaving go.
We're at the bus station right now, taking the bus from here into the city to South Bank. Hey, how you doing?
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, his greatest masterpiece would remain forever.
But first, let's back up a few days.
We're back at home again, just had some dinner. And I will sign off for today. We'll finish yesterday's vlog to give you some uploads. And yeah, it was a really nice day. I loved I loved the cliff jumping place. It was amazing. So yeah, hope you guys liked it as well. And I hope I will see you guys next time. Another 360 from today. Peace out, guys.
So take time, feel it